So today in Excel we're going to take a look at how you can add a map and add data to this map. So we already have our data here, just some cities, the population of those cities and the amount of people in those cities using our hypothetical service. So all we want to do is want to go to our insert tab across the top. Once we're at insert tab we want to click get add-ins. Once we click that we just want to search for maps. So once we search for maps, we just want to click Bing Maps and then just click this add button here. I already have this one, but I'm just going to click continue. Then you're going to see this one here. We're just going to click X off and I'll show you how to use this tool. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. It might be a little bit harder to see on screen, but you're going to see why I've done this in a second. So all we want to do is zoom out a bit. I'm going to move our map down. I don't know why mine particularly loads in like this, cutting off the top bar, but if that's the problem, you don't see this top bar, that is why. So here we have our map. Then we're just going to click this little tab here, which is filters. I'm going to click select data, and then we're going to select our data from this section here. Now once we've had our data, we just click OK, and now it's going to add in our data. So if we zoom back in a little bit here, you're going to see that this is population versus use of our service. So we've got a few controls we can do here on the map. We can zoom in and move around like you would on Google Maps, and we can click here. So let's say we want to click Seattle. Then we have Seattle, Washington, and it's there's the population. This is taking the information from our grid and then it's using our service. So when it's like 50-50, that'll be how it's probably not the best scenario to use with this, but it's all I could think of at the time to demonstrate this tool. We do have our legend in the corner as well. If you update the information here, so let's say I take a 0 out of this and update it, it will actually update the map. So as you can see now, that red is a lot smaller than it was before. If you want to change any of the settings in this, we just click the settings tab. You can turn the legend off. You can even have little circles if you want, or pie charts. You can have bird's eye view as well, and you can also play around with the colours. But that is how you insert a map into Excel and import information. Thanks for watching guys, please like, comment, subscribe, I'll see you next time.